Emmanuel Kotei to go Marhia. No cre ebe na was our story. No midi chichemu ni nyina no ebrew e wo fie ha. Emmanuel Kotei ne contract with Kumasi Asante Kotoko'S no aso anase enso ye. Media no so de sawo media no so no anye careful o anhwe ankofo bi betu mfuturo agu ani, but some of us ye wo ha no ye ntena se emma nipa ne bi antu mfuturo engu nipa ani. Nti asem ne ba yinya adaje ebe chire nsemunum ema nti ase ye adwuma when ena Kotoko'S sign Emmanuel Kotei when ena the contract with Kotoko'S ebe wiye and the contract ne ba wiye kura na what are the clauses me the details ni nyina no ebrew e wo fie ha Super 24 TV di no ye Nazar Hamza obetima from the blog man Ghana Black Stars a film at the run of 32. Some of us we expected this and enya de enwa bia Ghana Panama game na yenya late winning no late winner no eno na dada nipa no dodo na dada nipa no dodo na say team ne ye team bia ma team no o share Panama and the England ball draw and Croatia share no and Colombia share no 4 games o we need 1 or draw 1 and lose 2 team wenye 2 exceptional but Ghana 4 and Black Star GF 4 and team no I say enya de enwa bia yemra de ebehye enwoma yi de ta Ghana lose 2 game no me de ho nsem kakra enso ebe down e wo fie ha Super 24 TV enra maye more player we aba so atizigi kenyo no anka Ghana yibitima hye Ghana be 5 enti yenjai sa ankomo no na Benjamin Nasaria ebi anka Benjamin Nasaria na bede man ko beje 5 but atizigi enra stood kept Ghana in the game. Atizigi kept Ghana in the game, but Ghana didn't have players who can create chances. Ghana didn't have players who can score. Atizigi save about 6 crucial saves and Atizigi here. But not yentimin tekano because ye game plan na ye bono. Obi eni wa oko create chance. Obi eni wa oko shegu. Bi wa keeper nso ye saves. Se keeper ni ye saves na ka oko tekana. Ka onim say inka edibibi beba. Enu tira some of us coach we in game plan or the bem say defensive no. Na ye ne nya adwen no tournament na ye bo no attacking football ne bo. The best way to defend is to attack, but what set it back ye ne Panama who defend there na last minute unya go ye ne England wan kobo hwe ye ball draw Ghana fo ani age etwiso loku ye ne Croatia game na hu hia biem na ball wa miem na obo defense na ye hye 2-1 at the run of 32 wakwasa go defend there na o ma hye untimi create chances ball a obo untimi create chances untimi nhye goal na chese o mfaso ball no emfa unkosi ba bia na maka say Ghana ye lucky say 48 teams and a qualify and ye yimu 32 nka jesa nka normal standing nka wo mu 10 na wudi ye ntimi fa hundru ba bia. Do you get it? So adwuma bebre o Ghana team no ho and some of us ye kasa amafo nim say atizigi no na atizigi de onya Ghana ni ana wo so wo pe Benjamin Nasaria ye fa Benjamin Nasaria nda atizigi de onya Ghana ni wo he atizigi a enura de oye nyina achi no di padoro se na ebo na paso atizigi nso ye Ghana ni enti san komo no na atizigi na Benjamin Nasaria wa bedem no na ya hye mamema this simple statistics about between World Cup Benjamin Nasaria and atizigi. Both keepers played 2 games. 2 games though boy you know. Atizigi conceded just a goal. Atizigi da against Panama half of the game. And Atizigi da against Colombia full time. Okaboma Atizigi conceded only a goal. It came against Colombia. Now Benjamin Nasaria obem ebe ball against Panama obo half of the game. Ena obotia England. Ena obotia tima ya freno ena obotia England, ena obotia Croatia. So also all kind of numbers now or conceded 2 goals. Do you get it? Or conceded 2 goals. Eti arguments, no, so also with the statistics, also with the data, the data doesn't even speak for Benjamin Asare, because Benjamin Asare at the World Cup conceded more goals. Do you get it? 80 arguments and atizigi Benjamin Asare. Your problem na ankasa no. Choir players Efasoba Black Stars. And no the Ghana Football Association after this tournament, Kotoko'S ne mandate no 2027 and the football people should ensure they take a very good decision. The football people should ensure that they take a very good decision to protect the interest of the football people. We're gonna call World Cup. Obia de no worship. Obia. Timwemuni pia. We a politician, so we a we a businessman, a man, 24 various offices, corporate organization. Obia de no worship. Let's say Ghana for the G2 Black Stars the omodia. By football for kakrebino akotena soro no mu dictate and a yemfanfa with vested interest. With vested interest. I feel the frame na ye befia ye behye nyoma me no ka say ma fi Ghana Premier League no. Ye Ghana Premier League no. Na tam bia me blame me am Asante Kotoko na nyoma nkoye no. And also ka ho nka Kotoko nyoma ekoye o ha sa. Our players will be dominating our national teams. Our players will be dominating the national teams. That's the real fact. But here's the case: a league na basa and the GF no crown league no na dream so sa. Kotoko'S bae is getting to 8 years. Busaho, what has been the impact? The impact on the Ghana Premier League and sika pepe so omode kosha Black Stars no. What has been the significant progress of the Black Stars after investing so much into the Black Stars? Kotoko'S 2019 obaye. Busaho Ghana ko AFCON na ajiegu. And under Kotoko'S krano ya say hu Ghana yentima ko AFCON. You ko AFCON na year frame our qualifiers. And to so ana you say World Cup you call World Cup so and I call here gunu ye Ghana Premier League na ebono so ayabasa Kotoko'S under Kotoko'S we've seen 2 World Cups Katade no Katade no at the group stages near free when so run of 32 near free Katade no ye di third ye di fourth in the group and away ye di third. So, over data and statistics now, everything tells you that the football is on decline in Ghana. Our football is on decline. And the football people, you decide. Football people, you decide. After this particular World Cup, Yembrania Messi and Yoma and Neffield no sokwa, name administratively. Yenyoma na Messi and Yero, and Neffield no sonkwa, administratively. Two for the couple of me and Tassie, young Kotoko'S. Asante Kotoko. Ukuma Pemba by Samutu, Yemfa Kutalo to that. The club of the 20th century. Many are no central for Nibi, it can't do too much. Asema animono. Minim the order pro media, no so they pay like so they pay their And now, Madame Sana Bianco. Say, I'm for Kikali social media say, Kumasa Asante Kotoko player, a friend of Emmanuel Kotei. One go Marhia working a BBR, he said to sign. After the contract with Kotoko'S. Now, the first thing I'm issue to this particular story down, I say, Emmanuel Kotei, the contract that Asante Kotoko'S. That's the first one. Emmanuel Kotei contract with Asante Kotoko'S. Let's try to refresh things before I proceed. Emmanuel Kotei signed for Kumasi Asante Kotoko'S in 2024 January. Satam no near ball 2023-2024 league season of first round no every year. Na coach Prosper Ogumnate and a Kumasi Asante Kotoko'S head coach. Tufunya kopon ementi ase. Eti Kotoko'S say obepe right back. And okofa Emmanuel Kotei from Insuatremai. Samre na ene yesa sign Abdul Fattah Shafiu asaba Kumasi Asante Kotoko no, but na injury she no ho a went man tena yesa atwa contract no mu no na samre na mo be kai no mo kai pa Oba Kotoko January 2024 no or sign 3 years. Sa obiba January 2024 no sign 3 years out. Simple calculation, the contract will be utambe. 25, 26, 27. So the contract now is set to expire on 2027 January. First round ne be we ya. And the contract no e be we. It is am no kase metima kase I can be 6 months with Kumasi Asante Kotoko because we signed 3 years in January 2024. Therefore, he's still Kumasi Asante Kotoko player. So where lies the reports that Emmanuel Kotei akoye medicals ewo go Marhia oko. Some person mo kase Kotoko so ene negotiate aton na say Kotoko no kra no management no board no kra mo settle sa. Inti there is no conversation with regards to that. Sanka the contractor so anka player no nko ani ni agent ebetima akoye dey sign deal no, but he's still contracted to Kumasi Asante Kotoko, which therefore makes it practically impossible for any move to materialize. Aha, I ain't as if you share good Kotoko WhatsApp groups, Mumma Mesero, share Kotoko Facebook groups, Mumma Mesero. I am building family together, and Tia said here. It's Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Emmanuel Kotei is still under Kumasi Asante Kotoko'S contract. Now let me move in and chip in with this vital information. Emmanuel Kotei in 2025 sustained a serious injury. Emma Kotoko, Ebon Hokaye, in surgery. And we no privileged information I'm a mouth. Surgery Kotoko no. It is emergency. Kotoko did the surgery, financed everything, which professionally is Kotoko na was all ye. Nemo no. Where you certain most clubs will leave the player in found water. The player like but Kotoko a born who can ye surgery no man. Who say Emmanuel Kotei will pry? That's no he's into clutches. Enti and no crown the agreement be a memete and say due to the fact that Kotoko yes surgery man or almost a year no, he will be committing more years, the lost years. No. Yes, now Otenevia want Mama Kotoko no or be connected with Kotoko in contractual terms to make up for that because Kotoko na bon hoka ayamano to pay Kotoko back. So where lies the report say Emmanuel Kotei if Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now the third point is that currently as we speak Kotoko right back home. Most of the players are injured. Lord Amwa, the captain, is injured. Abubakar, okay, Abubakar, the right back I found by Kokobino. And also, it's injured. My member said name Shaibu Abubakar is injured. So Shaibu and Lord Amwa are all injured, leaving Emmanuel Kotei alone as the full right back. Osikotoko, Ejana Maneko go Marhia. This story doesn't make sense. So take it from Super 24 TV no so say. This story Mishishi Mua Maya nature say. Ukraine. Go Marhia for Omo no crown omo agent na o kuruma na or the place ko go Marhia no. Or to take place na mo contract ne so a. Na wa be fawo no do ko na go Marhia for no anywhere deal in personal terms. Say busu baby a memma maybe $3,000. So na wa sign na club no a free ban we nya he because we fa on a free agent move there. Me patron share Kotoko'S groups mama me so a high end asifie. So they go Marhia for no. And typically so anya ne sa or tete players are o metwa o contract na agent no wa link go Marhia. And a typical example is what happened at the end of the 2024-2025 season with regards to a player, a friend, season 2023-2024, you know, a baby, with regards to this player, player, referee Koguma here, Enoch Morrison. Enoch Morrison terminated in contract with Asante Kotoko'S, a free agent and an agent, and then Koguma here. So, person tell me say, Kotei terminated the contract with Kotoko'S, and no, it's not true. Kotei, as I'm filing this particular report, remains Asante Kotoko'S player, and he's even ready to commit more years for Asante Kotoko'S. Take it from Super 24 TV and TSCFE. Kotoko'S even need more right backs. What's Kotoko'S beja ye Emmanuel Kotei amana go Marhia. Okay, anyway. Maybe I got it free me say, "Chum, wrong information." And I'm de feed him or aha NTSCFE. My catcher will say, in the next 2 weeks, Asante Kotoko'S coach, is going to be made public. The information be inside canon. Kumu media. I was super out there one no. Kumu ya Kotoko'S appointed coach. Kotoko'S appointed coach. Mamen kanesa. Kotoko'S fa coach. And now so now kumu be enam media no so. Me be about CK Akono. Sa Kotoko'S intima fa Brunia. Dodo order CK Akono is the best. But Dodo also say ya breni bibini yemfa Bruni. Na omeye coach for Asante Kotoko'S. To you, I don't know what you think. But who say yemfa Bruni and I say Bruni na mfa o de yemfa CK. Bibini obit my CK has every experience. Why Black Star school chida. Any idea. But and then anopewie, the news I'm the brown they say Emmanuel Kotei to go Marhia no Ukraine. Disregard.